is the Comfort Zone 10-inch box fan. I'm certainly not impressed with the fan. But there's the front, Comfort Zone badge right there, and then it has the gray blades. There's 3 speeds. There's the side. The back. There's some information right there. That's a barcode. And I'm not really impressed with the airflow. I mean, it's a compact box fan and it's 10 inches. And we'll start it up on low. I'm not super impressed with the airflow that this thing produces. Although I do, all the noise level isn't bad. You can't really hear the wind noise. The air like rises more like right here, medium. Yeah, it's definitely it's not even a form factor. There's medium. Still not very powerful, of course. And high speed. Yeah, that's not impressive for the airflow. But at least it's still a cool looking fan. It's not all that powerful, but it's quiet. Sounds nice though. There's off. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.